Caution: before the agitator is started, ensure that enough water is filled into the vessel. If your agitator comes with a speed sensor, the sensor bracket must be installed first. Please use the delivered screws and fasten it right onto the intermediate flange. Start the agitator and set it to a certain speed. We then take the already connected sensor and place it inside the sensor bracket. Before we fix the sensor, we need to find a position with a stable signal. This is indicated by a regular blinking LED light. The light blinks once per detected signal of the mixing head's sensor magnet. Once this position is determined, the sensor can be fixed in place with a counter nut. Should any questions arise, don't hesitate to contact us directly via the following QR code or email address. Thanks for watching.